Alright guys, today we're looking at the EMERSON Super KARAMBIT. So this is EMERSON's larger alternative to the combat KARAMBIT, and I've been carrying this for several years now, and overall, this is a pretty dang good knife. As any of you who use and know about martial arts and KARAMBITs know, the KARAMBIT is not a utility blade. It is not meant to be used for work or utility much. This is almost purely an offensive/defensive weapon. So what's great about the EMERSON Super KARAMBIT is it gives you a lot larger blade than the EMERSON Combat KARAMBIT. The EMERSON Combat KARAMBIT has a very small blade, and while it's good in very close quarters, it's really, in my opinion, too small to be viewed as much of a weapon because it's just so small. So that's where you have the EMERSON Super KARAMBIT. It's basically the exact same design. The blade is just an inch longer, and the handle is about an inch longer as well. So it has G10 textured handle, which is great because it's not too rough. It's not going to tear up your pocket, but it does give good grip. It has the alternative pocket clip. At least you can get it. I didn't get it with the alternating pocket clip, at least up here. However, you can put the pocket clip for left or right carry. You can see it's got the drills there, so you can put the screws on either side. It has a very nice finger ring, which is good for guys with larger fingers like me. It is in a sandwich blade construction, which is not my favorite. You can see it's got kind of the spacers, and it's got the open space there. I don't think this is as strong as lockback designs, but you got to go with what you can get. And then it has the liner lock. Again, I'm not a fan of liner locks. I don't think they're the strongest option out there. EMERSON does have quite a strong liner lock. However, I'm still not a fan of liner locks at all, period. The blade is really nice hook-shaped blade. It's the true shape that a KARAMBIT blade should be. It's not too hooked. I've seen some where they come at a 90-degree angle. I think that's too much. Then others that are basically a hawkbill blade that people call KARAMBITs. The steel is very strong, very sharp. It's only sharpened on one edge. That's one thing that's interesting about this knife, is it's beveled. It's basically got a ton of grinding on this side to allow for basically a single edge that's sharp, which is cool in some ways, but it's also harder to sharpen. It's because you got to be careful not to take too much steel off the flat side, or you're going to mess up the edge and have to have it professionally redone. And one of the best features about this, though, is it does have the EMERSON wave feature, which is patented and very, very useful, very fast and very effective in tactical and daily situations. So overall, I would recommend this knife. It does have a heavy price tag, but again, you get what you pay for, and this is a high-quality blade meant to be used in everyday situations all the time. They do have great customer service. They do, you know, they'll fix your blade, they'll sharpen all that stuff. I'm not sponsored by them. I don't have any affiliation with EMERSON. I just think they have some really good knives. So if you want to check that out, hit the description below. You know, comment, like, check out my channel. I got all kinds of other gear on there. Subscribe, and have a great day.